So welcome to a very sunny but pretty chilly day here in Japan. It's February, and that isn't a cherry blossom, by the way. That is a plum blossom, I hope. If it is a cherry blossom, the climate's in real trouble. Anyway, today's topic is the Chinese pannier cases and top box sets. Now, you've probably seen these on AliExpress, and there are some resellers on Amazon as well, and you can get these for some pretty amazing prices. I got this entire set, which includes the pannier stays and some side panniers and a rear carrier and a top box, all for $550 US altogether. This is actually my second set of these things I've bought, so if you're thinking about getting one, this could be the video for you. So you can see here I've fitted them to a Honda 400X, which is identical to the CB 500X except for the engine. It's also one of the few Japanese bikes these days that is actually made in Japan. This is a 45-litre top box, but they are available in sizes up to 65 litres. I had a 55-litre top box on my V-Strom, which was nice and roomy, but the wind drag was a bit much. Also, it hung a bit far over the back of the bike and caused a bit of wobble at high speeds. Most of these boxes come with this PU leather lining, which helps hold down the noise and makes cleaning easier. There are some pockets in the lid which look good, but I've found them to be useless because everything you put in them just rattles out and falls into the main compartment. Also, a lot of these boxes don't have a stopper wire. This one doesn't have one, and I have to be careful every time I open it because I don't think these plastic hinges will take too much strain. The finish on these boxes is quite good. The silver matches well with the silver on most bikes, and the gloss black cases also look pretty good. As for the locking system, it uses these simple barrel locks which are easy to replace, and the reason I'm saying that is because most of these sets have a different key for each box, which means you'll have 3 more keys to carry around, and that's not much fun. In my case, the Amazon reseller included a whole set of 6 matching locks in a bag, and I put them in so now I can open all the cases with 1 key. I also now have 5 spare keys. The top box uses a similar system to most aftermarket top boxes. There's a base plate that attaches to the rear carrier, and then the box clicks on and is secured with a lock. The rear carrier is made of steel and it's very solid, because it's also supported by the pannier stays. The panniers are 38 litres each, and they attach in a similar way to the top box. They also have a PU leather lining, as well as the slightly worrying plastic hinges. The biggest problem with these case sets would have to be the installation. They usually don't come with any instructions, and it's pretty daunting getting a large box of bits and bolts with no idea what to do with them. But I can give you some tips from what I learned from my experience. Tip number 1 is organize your bits. So put all the bolts and nuts and spacers into groups and set them out neatly on a bench or something. This will help you figure out which bits go where. Most installations will require you to remove the grab handles and use those bolt holes for the pannier stays and rear carrier. If you have a CB 500X, you can see here how the stays and spacers are used. Tip number 2 is hang loose. So after you've figured out which parts go where, don't tighten anything until all the bolts are in place. You're dealing with Chinese workmanship, so holes and bolts probably won't match up too well. Having everything loose will help you to get all the bolts seated in the correct holes. If you can, get someone to help push things around while you're trying to insert the bolts. A rubber mallet might also come in handy to help align things. My final tip is go slow. Double check you're using the correct bolts and spacers. There's nothing worse than cross-threading a bolt or damaging a panel by using the wrong spacer or the wrong bolt. It might be a bit of a struggle. But if you follow these 3 tips, you should be able to do the whole installation in around 3 hours. Well, since this is my second set, obviously I think these cases are good value for money. Everyone has their preferences when it comes to motorcycle baggage, but I love hard cases, especially the square ones. They keep your gear safe under lock and key, and they double as handy camp tables. If you have any questions or comments, they are always welcome, and if this video helped you out at all, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Till next time, ride safe out there, and thanks for watching.